The construction industry is changing rapidly. Recent technologies and techniques are truly remarkable. It's no longer just about pouring concrete, it's about advancing with smart and innovative methods. In this video, we'll explore the modern techniques and methods shaping today's construction industry. Hadrien X is a fully automated bricklaying robot developed by the Australian company FBR. It is designed to build walls faster, safer, and more accurately than human workers. Mounted on a truck or crawler, the robot reads 3D building plans to place each block precisely. It uses a special fast-curing adhesive instead of mortar to speed up construction. With a laying rate of over 200 blocks per hour, it can build a standard house in just 1 to 2 days. Hadrien X works even in windy conditions thanks to its advanced stabilization technology. It helps reduce labor costs, improve safety, and increase construction efficiency. This robot is ideal for homes, low-rise buildings, and disaster recovery projects. The Eurobrick Xclad system is a modern wall cladding solution that looks like traditional brick but performs like high-tech insulation. It uses up to 70% less energy to produce than standard bricks and lasts over 25 years with minimal maintenance. At the heart of the system are lightweight extruded polystyrene panels that support real brick slips while providing excellent thermal insulation. These panels can be installed on timber, steel, or masonry walls, making them ideal for both new buildings and retrofits. Thickness options range from 0.67 to 3.94 inches, allowing for different insulation needs. The installed weight is just 7.38 pounds per square foot, making it perfect for projects where weight matters. No additional foundations or heavy groundwork are needed, which speeds up the installation. Xclad is often chosen for projects that require a traditional look but demand modern performance. The MBT Steck-Box is a modular formwork system used to create neat openings in concrete walls and slabs. It is easy to assemble by simply slotting the panels together and securing a wooden lid before pouring the concrete. The box stays inside the concrete after it sets, so there's no need to remove it, saving time and labor. It comes in 3 wall thicknesses and various heights, offering up to 36 different size combinations. The panels have a mesh surface that bonds strongly with the concrete. A raised lid design improves job site safety and meets SUVA standards. Holes for pipes or cables can be added later using simple tools like a hole saw. The Steck-Box is a fast, clean, and reusable solution ideal for modern construction projects. Discover a whole new way to lift entire buildings with the ArrowLift by Failsafe House Lifting Systems. This innovative system uses 4 strong steel towers to raise structures safely and evenly, supporting up to 80 tons in total. Each tower is connected by beams, forming a stable foundation that allows workers to move freely underneath. A powerful dual-threaded actuator lifts buildings up to 17 feet without stopping or resetting. The system eliminates the need for manual cribbing, saving time and improving safety on the job. Its modular design lets you add towers or beams to suit different project sizes. Compact and transportable, it fits on flatbed trailers or aircraft for easy relocation. Powered by a hydraulic pump, ArrowLift brings precision, speed, and safety to every lift. Improve energy efficiency and comfort in your home with Actis Hybris insulation panels. These lightweight panels feature a honeycomb structure made of polyethylene foam and reflective aluminum foil to trap heat effectively. With R values reaching up to 6 square meters Kelvin per watt, they deliver excellent thermal performance in a slim profile. Hybris is suitable for walls, roofs, ceilings, and floors, and it won't sag or lose shape over time. The outer foil acts as a vapor control layer, helping to block moisture, wind, and heat loss. It also improves sound insulation, adding acoustic comfort to any space. Hybris is non-irritant, fiber-free, and rated A+ for indoor air quality. Available in thicknesses from 50 mm to 205 mm, it's a smart choice for both new builds and retrofit projects. Hemp building blocks, also known as hempcrete blocks, are made by mixing hemp herds with a natural lime binder. These blocks are lightweight and offer strong thermal insulation, making them great for walls, floors, and roofs. Interlocking types like Hemp Block LB300 require no mortar, allowing fast and easy assembly. They provide an R value of about 2 per inch, which means better energy savings in both hot and cold climates. The blocks naturally regulate moisture and help keep indoor air healthy and comfortable. They're also resistant to fire, pests, and mold, adding safety to your structure. Being carbon negative and biodegradable, they are perfect for eco-friendly homes. Certified systems like ISO Hemp are widely used in sustainable building and renovation projects. Next, we have the Impulse SV400, a powerful hydraulic pile cutter built for heavy-duty construction work. It is designed to cut the heads of square reinforced concrete piles cleanly and efficiently. Mounted on an excavator or backhoe, it uses a hydraulic shear system that protects the steel reinforcement inside the pile. The SV400 delivers up to 280 kilonewtons of cutting force and operates at 250 bars with a 20-liter per minute oil flow. It handles piles between 11.8 to 15.7 inches wide and needs at least 13.8 inches between piles. Despite weighing over 3,000 pounds, it is compact enough for tough job site conditions. The system runs with low noise and vibration, helping to maintain a safer and quieter work area. Certified for quality and built for speed, this tool is ideal for contractors who need fast and accurate pile head removal. QuickBlock is a modular building system made entirely from 100% recycled plastic. Each block is flat-packed and clicks together like large Lego pieces, requiring no tools or skilled labor. Weighing just 1.2 kilograms, the blocks are lightweight and easy to transport. 250 of them can fit on a single pallet. They are hollow but strong enough to support up to 3.6 tons and can be filled with sand or gravel for added strength. QuickBlock is weather-resistant and suitable for both temporary and semi-permanent structures. You can build a small shelter or wall in under 5 minutes, making it ideal for rapid deployment. The system is fully reusable and recyclable, making it an eco-friendly option. It's perfect for use in emergency relief, defense, commercial, or DIY construction projects. Get your bonding jobs done faster with Titan Professional Fix 2 GT Mounting Adhesive. This high-performance adhesive sets in just 1 second and can handle loads after only 30 minutes. It reaches full curing strength in about 3 hours, making it much quicker than traditional adhesives. With bonding power up to 400 kilograms per 10 square centimeters, it also reduces vibrations for a secure hold. Fix 2 GT works on damp surfaces and resists UV rays, moisture, and chemicals, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's solvent-free, safe for sensitive materials, and compatible with wood, brick, concrete, glass, metal, and more. The dual nozzle design allows precise or wide application without hassle. Once cured, the adhesive stays flexible, can be painted, and works in temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius. Next, we go to Switzerland to explore Tor Alva, a 98-foot-tall 3D-printed tower located in the village of Moulins. It serves as a cultural venue for art, music, and theater, with a spiral staircase leading to a performance chamber at the top. Designed by Fundazi in origin, the tower takes inspiration from the craftsmanship of Baroque builders in the region. It was built using robotic concrete extrusion, which reduces waste by applying material only where it's needed. Developed with ETH Zurich, the process allows for intricate shapes without the need for traditional formwork. The tower features 32 rebar-reinforced columns that are strong yet lightweight and hollow. During the day, its concrete surface creates beautiful light patterns, and at night, it glows like a lantern. Tor Alva is also designed for disassembly, making it a model of sustainable, reusable architecture. The DoKart Plus is a smart and compact shifting trolley used for moving docomatic table forms on construction sites. It allows one person to reposition large table forms up to 12.5 square meters without using a crane. The DoKart Plus can handle an impressive load of up to 1,950 kilograms, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The trolley can move sideways at 90 degrees and rotate around its center, making it easy to handle in tight areas. A built-in hydraulic system lifts the table forms at 8 centimeters per second, setting them at the right height quickly. Its ergonomic design ensures safe and smooth operation with minimal effort. The DoKart Plus also works with the DoKart table lifting system to move forms between floors without crane support. A strong carrying frame keeps everything stable during lifting and transport. Overall, it helps save time, cut labor, and boost safety on any concrete slab project. SurePave is a heavy-duty interlocking plastic paving system made from 100% recycled polypropylene. It creates a strong and permeable surface when filled with gravel, stone, or turf, making it ideal for driveways, paths, and parking areas. Each panel measures about 816 by 612 millimeters and locks tightly with others to prevent shifting. The structure spreads weight evenly and can support loads up to 700 tons per square meter. Its open cell design allows rainwater to soak into the ground, reducing surface water and erosion. SurePave also supports grass growth and can be reused if needed. Installation is simple, requiring only a compacted base and filling with gravel or soil. Designed to work on slopes and in all conditions, SurePave is a smart and sustainable paving choice. Baron conveyors are portable and durable belt systems designed for easy material handling on job sites. They run on standard 240-volt power, so you can plug them into a regular household outlet. The conveyor belts move in both directions and have adjustable speeds from 20 to 80 centimeters per second. Each unit can carry up to 200 kilograms, making them perfect for moving soil, concrete, or gravel. Lengths range from 2.5 to 6 meters, and the closed-side design ensures safe and stable transport. You can link up to 8 units together, all controlled by a master CCU unit. The new clever conveyor version includes smart IoT tracking to monitor work progress. Whether working in basements, attics, or tight areas, Baron conveyors make heavy lifting fast, safe, and efficient. AggreFill is a ready-to-use aggregate filler designed for quick and easy pothole repair. It is used as the base layer with chip fill to fix potholes up to 1 square meter in size and depths between 25 to 60 millimeters. Once AggreFill is in place, chip fill is applied on top to complete the repair. The system sets quickly, allowing traffic to resume within minutes. This makes it ideal for fast repairs on busy roads with minimal disruption. AggreFill is perfect for larger potholes and requires only basic tools to apply. It simplifies the repair process and reduces the need for heavy equipment. Together with chip fill, it offers a strong, long-lasting solution for road maintenance. TitanFlor's aluminum-raised floor panels are made from strong die-cast aluminum alloy for long-lasting performance. Each panel is poured in one piece and locked securely with support pedestals to create a stable raised floor system. They are available in solid, perforated, and grating versions to meet different airflow needs. Perforated and grating panels allow up to 55% ventilation, making them ideal for data centers and server rooms. Coated options offer added corrosion resistance and electrical conductivity for clean and controlled environments. Each panel measures 600 by 600 millimeters and supports heavy loads with a safety factor of 3. Surface finishes include anti-static HPL, conductive PVC, vinyl, or bare aluminum. These panels are waterproof, recyclable, and fire-rated, making them a smart solution for high-performance flooring. Meet the DS24 skid steer attachment by Dragonreed, a powerful tool for fast and accurate concrete and gravel leveling. This heavy-duty screed connects to skid steers, loaders, or telehandlers and adjusts from 6 to 24 feet wide for different project sizes. As it moves forward or backward, it drags, floats, and vibrates the surface in one smooth motion. The machine handles the heavy lifting, allowing crews to use drier concrete mixes for better finish quality. A remote control offers 5 vibration settings to match the desired smoothness. Its hydraulic pivot allows screeding on uneven ground or sloped surfaces with ease. Perfect for pours up to 22 feet wide, it lets small crews finish large areas quickly. The DS24 reduces labor and combines multiple steps into one efficient pass, saving both time and effort. Discover a smarter way to build longer-lasting roads with the Tensor AX5GN asphalt reinforcement interlayer. This advanced product combines a 3D polypropylene grid with a non-woven fabric to reinforce pavement, absorb stress, and block moisture. When soaked with bitumen, the fabric layer forms a protective membrane that helps stop cracks from forming or spreading. The triaxial grid locks with asphalt, aggregate to deliver full 360-degree crack control, and boost resistance to rutting and fatigue. Tests show that AX5GN can triple the pavement's fatigue life under traffic and weather stress. Installation is quick. Just apply a bond coat, unroll the grid, and pave over it. It's perfect for both new roads and overlays on highways, airport runways, or widened lanes. Best of all, it's recyclable, making it a smart and sustainable choice for modern road construction. ACO Storm Bricks is a modular stormwater management system designed for underground water storage and drainage. It helps control rainwater through detention, infiltration, and reuse, making it perfect for sustainable urban drainage projects. The system uses snap-lock modules that are easy to assemble and stack, reducing transport and storage needs by up to 75%. With a high void ratio of 95 to 97%, it maximizes water storage while minimizing excavation. Storm Bricks comes in standard and heavy-duty versions, including the HD 900 for high-load areas. Its open-cell design allows full 3D access for cleaning and inspection. Made from recyclable polypropylene, it's a durable and eco-friendly solution. Storm Bricks installs quickly and adapts to various site layouts, offering a reliable, low-impact drainage system. Geopolast Elevator Max is a modular formwork system designed to create crawl spaces and height-adjusted concrete slabs. It uses a snap-fit grid, adjustable PVC pipes, and a 71 by 71 centimeters top dome to form strong, permanent structures. The system can support loads up to 5,000 kilograms per square meter, making it ideal for residential and commercial foundations. With pipe heights up to 3 meters, it allows space for ventilation, MEP access, and future inspections. Elevator Max replaces traditional gravel or void formers, reducing material use and construction costs. It can be installed on slopes up to 14% and becomes walkable once mesh is in place. The setup is quick, stable, and easy to transport thanks to its lightweight, stackable design. This makes Elevator Max a smart, eco-friendly solution for modern and efficient slab construction. The VarioKit VGB parapet track is a mobile formwork system used for building or refurbishing cantilevered parapets beneath bridges. It is perfect for long spans over 150 meters and uses modular components like rails, roller units, anchors, and a hydraulic carriage. The system mounts securely to the underside of the bridge, keeping the deck clear for traffic and ongoing work above. Self-aligning rollers safely transfer the concrete loads without needing extra fixings. It adapts to both straight and curved parapet designs, making it suitable for varying bridge geometries. The hydraulic system allows smooth and safe movement along the bridge with minimal effort. All parts are designed to work together, reducing setup time and labor. VarioKit VGB offers a flexible, efficient, and traffic-friendly solution for modern bridge construction. Thanks for joining us on this tour of amazing construction technologies that are changing the way we build. Stay tuned for more innovations that are shaping the future of construction. See you soon!